Freedom isn't just a fantasy you scroll past. It's built brick by brick, starting with how you use today. Stop waiting for permission or the perfect market. Building a real estate portfolio that actually makes you money is about daily discipline and smart moves, not some secret handshake. Get laser focused on analyzing deals. Learn to spot potential where others see problems. Seriously, knowing your numbers is your superpower. Ever heard of the BRRR method? Buy, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat. It's like finding a beat-up car, fixing it, renting it out, getting a loan against its new value to pull your cash back, and then finding another car. It's how you scale faster than you thought possible. Remember, cash flow is king, queen, and the whole royal court. That monthly income is your ticket out of the grind. And diversify. Don't just buy 10 identical houses on the same street unless you love stress. Mix it up. Building your brand online isn't vanity, it's visibility. Use social media to share your journey, connect with others, and attract opportunities. I started small, analyzing deals between work shifts, fueled by sheer determination. You can too. Every single day counts towards building that empire. Success demands action consistently. So what's the one tangible step you're taking? Toner today towards your real estate goals. No excuses.